Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Working away on this parts caster. Just a cheap guitar. I wanted to point something out here. When you mix and match parts, you can wind up with some really funky results. And I'll point out a couple of items here. If we look at, for one, see this pickguard's been replaced, and the screws here and there, they might not be as flush as they could be, you know? Obviously some of them are okay, but there's a couple that are kind of canted. And what happens is the pickguard will start to distort if that's left for any length of time, significant length of time. Not only that, but you know, you can see some of the pickups here, they're not quite set properly. And we have encroachment at the leading edge of the trem system here. I mean, it works, but it's butted right up against the edge of that base or bridge plate. So what we're gonna do is one of my favorite best practices sort of things, which is I'll take the pickguard off, refit the pickups, clean them up a little bit just to get them just a little straighter. Whether that's successful or not is, well, we'll find out. But what I intend to do is fill all these holes with toothpicks and glue, and then we'll resituate them a fraction closer to the butt end of the neck. There's actually a little bit of air under there. You can see that. Okay, and what that hopefully will do, and there's room under there for all that to happen. That'll give us a little bit of a relief here, a little space for the bridge system, and yeah, we'll see if we can get things all cleaned up. So we're back in action. The pickups have been reloaded with a nesting spring that is a little bit more appropriate. It'll allow for a little bit more compression. I'm going to take my trusty awl and position that accordingly. From here, it is a simple matter of repeating this process dead center of every hole as we go around. No need to drill. With an instrument like this, it's a softwood body, whatever it is, it's probably basswood, I would imagine. If you drill the holes, chances are the screws are going to strip out anyway. So with the glue and the toothpicks in there, it's relatively compatible in terms of softness, and all you got to do is just poke it and just get a starting point and push the screw in and give it'll bite and it'll have some meat. And that's that. Okay, so I'm going to nail down the rest of these. So here's our near finished product. We still got some adjustments to do, but the pickguard laid down pretty good. A lot of the distortion is gone. And the screws are nice and flush like they should be. There's still kind of a mix and match too, but they're sitting pretty. All in all, it's in much better nick than where it started. So I'm going to sign off, and once again, thanks for all the viewers. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to me, you know, do stupid things and say stupid things. Appreciate the eyeballs big time. And as always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. See ya.